What moment made you say, yep, I'm definitely dead, but survived with no major injuries? My boyfriend woke me up not long after we had fallen asleep in a small upstairs bedroom where a smoldering fire had started. After we collapsed on the floor and couldn't find the door that was not even 5 feet away, we kept hitting walls and corners and started to not comprehend anything. After feeling like I was baking in an oven, I laid my head down on the floor, thinking I'd never see my son again and how sad it was to die. It felt like eternity and was very lonely. My boyfriend somehow found his phone on the floor and called 911. The fire department showed up in what felt like 2 seconds, but couldn't break down the front door. They shined a flashlight up to the window so we could kick out the AC unit, which he did. They finally came upstairs and we crawled to them. They took us straight to the burn unit since they didn't know what shape we were in. I'm pretty sure the entire hospital toured through our room since they'd never seen anyone make it out and look the way we did.